Hello guys, welcome to KK Technical. So guys, today I will teach you how to create virus in notepad. So first of all, open your notepad and type the same which I am typing.
I sound really fine. 아무렇지 않은 척 아무도 모르게 조심하는데 또 티가 났나 봐. Sound really fine. 너와 함께 했었던 시간이 길었어 나 봐. 난 네 옷을 또 보고 있어. Hey, hey, yeah, yeah. I can't control.
Okay guys, let's see how this works. Okay, this ECHO works to start the program or to print any statement. Okay. Here's our program starts by it. This is used to print any statement. Okay. You can see the go to virus /bar. This will help to move the program again to its start point. So save it as a .bat. This is the format of it. Do not save as txt or else it will not work. .bat. Okay, I am saving it right now. Okay, let's go to the folder documents. Okay, you can see here that the .bat format is here. Okay, there is the virus. It will create the unlimited folder in just 1 second. You can see 394 folders are created. It will hang the PC of your victim. You can use this virus just for fun. This is only for education purpose. Do not hesitate or do not misuse this virus. You can see all the folders are empty. There are nothing to be here in these folders. Okay, you can see this time 287 folders created. Okay guys, let's see in next video. Do not forget to like, subscribe and comment, क्योंकि मैं आपके लिए रोज़ाना ऐसे वीडियोस लेके आता रहता हूँ। तो फिलहाल दोस्तों वीडियो में इतना ही। जय हिंद, वंदे मातरम।